Alright guys, I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new Halloween hanging decorations. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Kind of like your setup guide. It's actually already out of the box. So as you can see, it's kind of like on a swing, and it does turn on. We're gonna have to put some batteries on it. Creepy little face right there. So here's the battery compartment. You will need to remove the small screw first, and then we'll go ahead and put the batteries. It does use 3 AAAs. As you can see, it's ready to go. Turn it off for now until it back up, and let's go ahead and actually put it outside. So as you can see, this thing is creepy at a whole nother level. The second I hung her up or just clapped, her glowing eyes lit up red and let out this scream that echoed through the yard. The sound and motion activated worked well. Whether you clap, talk loud, she reacts quick. And if you're putting her on somewhere like a tree, she's swinging back and forth holding the teddy bear, and honestly the details somehow make it even creepier. It is 45 inches tall, so it's big enough to make people jump even from a distance. It's perfect for yard scenes like Halloween parties or haunted walkthroughs. The moment someone gets close, she screams and lights up like she's possessed. Great for getting the reaction out of the trick-or-treaters or just setting up the tone for a creepy night. So if you guys are looking for a cool Halloween decoration, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below.